Welcome to our in-depth guide to the top 6 best monitors for the Mac Mini M4. The Mac Mini M4 is a powerful and compact machine, and to unlock its full potential, you need a monitor that matches its performance. In this video, we will showcase 6 outstanding monitors that deliver exceptional visuals, precise color accuracy, and seamless integration with macOS. Whether you need ultra-high resolutions, wide color gamuts, smooth refresh rates, or versatile connectivity options, these monitors cater to a variety of users. From designers and video editors to gamers and professionals, we have carefully selected monitors that will enhance your overall experience. We will also discuss essential factors such as ergonomic designs and build quality to help you create a stylish and functional workspace. Stay with us as we explore these top-tier monitors to find the perfect match for your Mac Mini M4 setup. Number 1. ZZ Edge 27-inch curved monitor, an immersive display for gaming, productivity, and entertainment. The ZZ Edge 27-inch curved gaming monitor provides an immersive viewing experience with its 27-inch Full HD 1080p curved display. The curved screen enhances depth and detail, wrapping around your field of view for a more engaging experience. With a 75 Hz refresh rate, this monitor ensures smooth motion, reducing stuttering and screen tearing for both gaming and general use. Equipped with eye care technology, it minimizes blue light and flicker, ensuring comfort during extended sessions. The 178-degree wide viewing angle maintains consistent color accuracy and clarity from various perspectives, making it an excellent choice for both collaborative work and shared entertainment. Number 2. InnoView 15.6-inch 1080p portable monitor, a stylish and versatile display for work and entertainment. The InnoView 15.6-inch 1080p portable monitor is a sleek and portable solution for users who need flexibility and convenience. With its Full HD 1080p resolution, it delivers sharp details and vibrant colors, making it perfect for productivity, gaming, and multimedia applications. Its ultra-slim and lightweight design enhances portability, while the built-in 90-degree adjustable stand allows for easy setup and comfortable viewing angles. This monitor supports seamless connectivity via USB-C and HDMI, making it compatible with laptops, MacBooks, smartphones, PlayStation, Xbox, and Nintendo Switch, providing a true plug-and-play experience. Number 3. ASUS ProArt display. 27-inch monitor, a professional-grade monitor for creative excellence. The ASUS ProArt Display 27-inch monitor is designed for professionals who require unparalleled color accuracy. Featuring a WQHD 2560 by 1440 IPS panel, it offers sharp visuals with wide viewing angles. With 100% sRGB and 100% Rec 709 color gamut coverage, along with Kalman-verified certification, this monitor ensures precise and true-to-life colors for photo editing, video production, and graphic design. It also includes versatile connectivity options, such as USB-C with 65-watt power delivery, HDMI, DisplayPort, and daisy chaining support, making it an excellent choice for Mac Mini M4 users and creative professionals. Number 4. Sceptre 24-inch professional thin LED monitor, a stylish and functional display for work and entertainment. The Sceptre 24-inch professional thin LED monitor blends a modern design with impressive performance. With a Full HD 1080p resolution, it delivers crisp and detailed visuals, while its 99% sRGB color gamut ensures accurate color reproduction, making it ideal for creative work and multimedia applications. The monitor includes 2 HDMI ports and a VGA input for flexible connectivity, while built-in speakers provide convenient audio playback without the need for external accessories. Encased in a sleek black finish, this ultra-thin monitor is a stylish and practical addition to any workspace. Number 5. KYY Portable Monitor. 15.6-inch 1080p FHD, a lightweight and travel-friendly display. The KYY Portable Monitor 15.6-inch 1080p FHD is a compact and highly portable external display designed for users who need productivity and entertainment on the go. Featuring a full HD IPS panel, it provides sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and wide viewing angles, making it suitable for gaming, work, or streaming. This monitor supports USB-C and HDMI connectivity, ensuring compatibility with laptops, PCs, Macs, smartphones, and gaming consoles such as PlayStation, Xbox, and Nintendo Switch. Enhanced by HDR technology, it delivers deeper contrasts and improved image quality, while the included premium smart cover and screen protector add durability and convenience. Number 6. Dell 27-inch 4K USB-C monitor, a premium and versatile choice for professionals. The Dell 27-inch 4K USB-C monitor offers stunning UHD resolution, 3840 by 2160, with lifelike colors and exceptional detail. With a 60 Hz refresh rate and an 8 millisecond gray-to-gray response time, it provides smooth visuals for daily use and multimedia applications. Supporting 1.07 billion colors, this monitor delivers outstanding color accuracy and depth, making it ideal for content creation, design, and professional work.